Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss global supply chain challenges, one of the most important topics in modern business. A global supply chain is a network of suppliers, manufacturers, logistics providers, and customers spread across different countries. While globalization has increased efficiency and market access, it has also made supply chains more vulnerable to disruptions. 1. Supply chain disruptions. One of the biggest challenges is unexpected disruptions caused by pandemics, natural disasters, political conflicts, and labor strikes. The COVID-19 pandemic demonstrated how factory shutdowns and transportation restrictions could create shortages worldwide. Similarly, the blockage of the Suez Canal significantly disrupted global trade. Organizations have learned that relying on a single supplier or region can be risky. 2. Geopolitical and trade risks. Trade wars, tariffs, sanctions, and regional conflicts have become major concerns. The US-China trade tensions and the Russia-Ukraine conflict have affected raw material availability, transportation routes, and energy costs. To reduce risk, companies are increasingly adopting strategies such as multi-sourcing, nearshoring regional supply networks. 3. Transportation and logistics challenges. Transportation is the backbone of global supply chains, yet companies face several logistics issues: rising freight costs, port congestion, driver shortages, infrastructure limitations. These challenges increase lead times and operating costs, affecting customer service and profitability. 4. Lack of supply chain visibility. Many organizations struggle to obtain real-time information about inventory, shipments, and supplier performance. Without visibility, companies cannot respond quickly to disruptions. Modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, and ERP systems are helping organizations improve forecasting and decision-making. Digital transformation has become a necessity rather than an option. 5. Inventory management challenges. Companies must balance between having too much inventory and too little inventory. Excess inventory increases carrying costs, while insufficient inventory results in stockouts and lost sales. Following recent disruptions, many organizations are moving away from purely just-in-time systems and maintaining strategic safety stocks to improve resilience. 6. Sustainability and environmental concerns. Businesses are under increasing pressure to reduce their environmental impact. Customers and governments expect organizations to adopt sustainable practices such as green transportation, ethical sourcing, reduced packaging waste, lower carbon emissions. Sustainability is now an important component of supply chain strategy. 7. Talent shortages. Supply chains are becoming more complex and technology-driven. Organizations require professionals with expertise in analytics, automation, risk management, and digital technologies. However, there is a global shortage of skilled supply chain professionals, making talent development a critical priority. Conclusion. In conclusion, global supply chains operate in an environment characterized by uncertainty and rapid change. Major challenges include supply chain disruptions, geopolitical risks, transportation constraints, lack of visibility, inventory complexities, sustainability pressures, talent shortages. The future of supply chain management depends on 3 key capabilities: resilience, the ability to recover quickly from disruptions; agility, the ability to respond rapidly to changing market conditions; digital transformation, using technology to improve visibility, efficiency, and decision-making. As future supply chain leaders, your responsibility will be to build supply chains that are efficient, resilient, sustainable, and customer-focused. Thank you, and I welcome your questions.